The first movement launched against the British in India was. The first movement launched against the British in India was. A. Swadeshi movement. B. Khilafat movement. C. Quit India movement. D. Non-cooperation movement. Correct answer is A. Swadeshi movement. Who was called by British rulers as father of Indian unrest? A. M. K. Gandhi. B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. C. Subhash Chandra Bose. D. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Correct answer is B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who amongst the following was involved in the Alipore bomb case? A. Jatin Das. B. Aurobindo Ghosh. C. Bipin Chandra Pal. D. S. N. Banerjee. Correct answer is B. Aurobindo Ghosh. The Champaran Satyagraha was started by Mahatma Gandhi in the year A. 1915. B. 1917. C. 1919. D. 1930. Correct answer is B. 1917. The first woman president of the Indian National Congress was A. Annie Besant. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. D. Kasturba Gandhi. Correct answer is A. Annie Besant. Who was the founder of Muslim League in India? A. Nawab Salimullah. B. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. C. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Who was the founder of All India Harijan Sangh in 1932? A. Jagjeevan Ram. B. M. K. Gandhi. C. B. R. Ambedkar. D. Vinoba Bhave. Correct answer is B. M. K. Gandhi. Who started the Bhudan movement? A. Swami Vivekanand. B. Jayaprakash Narayan. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Correct answer is D. Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Who advocated the policy of abolishing princely states in free India? A. Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. C. Rajgopalachari. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. From where did Mahatma Gandhi start his historic Dandi March? A. Sabarmati Ashram. B. Chauri Chaura. C. Dandi. D. Champaran. Correct answer is A. Sabarmati Ashram. Gandhi started Satyagrah movement in 1919 in protest against of the A. Enactment of Rowlatt Act. B. Champaran wrongs. C. Simon Commission. D. Colonial exploitation of India. Correct answer is A. Enactment of Rowlatt Act. The Prime Minister of Britain at the time of India's independence was A. Ramsay MacDonald, B. Winston Churchill, C. Lord Mountbatten, D. Clement Attlee. Correct answer is D. Clement Attlee. The civil disobedience movement was led in the Northwest Frontier Province by A. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, B. Dr. M.A. Ansari, C. Seva Singh Thikriwala, D. Sheikh Mohammad Abdullah. Correct answer is A. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Who of the following organized a national planning committee in 1938? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer is C. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. The President of the Indian National Congress at the time of Indian independence was A. Rajendra Prasad, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. J.B. Kriplani, D. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Correct answer is C. J.B. Kriplani. Mahatma Gandhi gave the call do or die during the A. Quit India movement, B. Civil disobedience movement, C. Non-cooperation movement, D. Khilafat movement. Correct answer is A. Quit India movement. Who raised the slogan Inquilab Zindabad? A. Chandrasekhar Azad, B. M.K. Gandhi, C. Lokmanya Tilak, D. Hasrat Mohani. Correct answer is D. Hasrat Mohani. In which year All India Trade Union Congress was formed? A. 1st February 1917, B. 31st December 1920, C. 28th August 1921, D. 14th November 1922. Correct answer is B. 31st December 1920. B. Muhammad Ali. Who conceived the idea of Pakistan? A. Asif Ali, B. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, C. H.S. Suharwardhi, D. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Correct answer is D. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali.